My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove a new adware type application called ApplicationKey. Now, this ApplicationKey stands for a new adware, and it is from the adload family of infections, by the way. ApplicationKey adware, once installed, may periodically show the tremendous portion of quite intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. In case this application key was found on your computer, there is nothing good to expect of this adware. It actually will slow down the performance of your computer. It may also periodically redirect your browser to many dangerous places, and it may eventually even infect your computer with malware. So, speaking about this application key adware, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. So, go to your Finder, check your applications, find this program, and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.